When you think of IKEA, durability might not be the first word that comes to mind, but it should be. While IKEA is known for its affordability and modern designs, some of its furniture pieces are built to last for decades, if not a lifetime. The secret lies in their smart design, high-quality materials, and the flexibility to adapt to your evolving lifestyle. In this video, we'll spotlight 15 standout IKEA furniture pieces that combine timeless design with unbeatable durability. From compact solutions to statement-making classics, these items prove that affordable doesn't have to mean disposable. Ready to discover furniture you'll love today and still cherish decades from now? Let's dive in. Nordic table, Birch. The Nordic table is a minimalist's dream. Crafted from solid birch, this table isn't just beautiful, it's built like a tank. Birch wood is naturally durable, and IKEA has treated the surface to make it resistant to stains and scratches. Whether it's a family dinner, a kid's craft session, or your latest work-from-home setup, this table handles it all without breaking a sweat. What makes it even better? The design is timeless. Its simple Scandinavian lines and natural wood finish mean it fits into almost any decor style, from modern to farmhouse. And because it's solid wood, you can sand and refinish it years down the line, making it a truly long-term investment. At an affordable price point, the Nordic is an example of how IKEA blends practicality and style. If you want a dining table that can grow with your family, or even be passed down, this one's a keeper. IKEA Hectar floor lamp with LED bulb. If you're looking for a lighting solution that screams industrial chic, the Hectar floor lamp is it. With its sturdy steel frame and classic matte black finish, this lamp feels like something you'd find in a high-end loft. What sets the Hectar apart isn't just its timeless style, but its quality construction. Unlike cheaper lamps that wobble or break, the Hectar is stable and solid. The included LED bulb is energy efficient and long-lasting, making this a sustainable choice for any home. The oversized shade provides ample light, making it perfect for reading corners, living rooms, or even your workspace. It's versatile enough to adapt to changing trends while always looking stylish. IKEA PS 2012 Drop-Leaf White Bamboo Table. Small space? No problem. The IKEA PS 2012 Drop-Leaf Table is your ultimate solution. Its foldable design makes it perfect for compact living spaces, offering maximum functionality without compromising on style. Made with a bamboo tabletop, this piece is as eco-friendly as it is durable. Bamboo is naturally resistant to wear and tear, and its warm tones add a touch of organic beauty to any room. The steel frame ensures sturdiness even when the leaves are extended. What makes this table truly special is its versatility. Use it as a dining table for two, a desk for your home office, or even a craft station. The white finish keeps it looking clean and modern, effortlessly blending with your decor. IKEA PS Cabinet. The IKEA PS Cabinet is a storage solution that's as stylish as it is practical. Designed with clean lines and a powder-coated steel finish, it's the perfect blend of industrial design and functionality. Don't let its sleek appearance fool you. This cabinet is tough. The steel construction means it can handle heavy use without showing signs of wear. It's also scratch-resistant and easy to clean, making it ideal for busy households or even garage storage. Available in various colors, the PS Cabinet works in almost any room. Use it as a media console in your living room, a shoe cabinet in your entryway, or even as extra storage in your kitchen. Its ventilated doors are a thoughtful touch, perfect for keeping things fresh and preventing odors. Cavist Storage Table. The Cavist storage table is a genius piece of furniture that combines style, functionality, and longevity. Crafted with a durable metal wire base and a sleek wooden top, it's designed to withstand the test of time, both in terms of durability and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're into modern minimalism or cozy Scandi vibes, this table fits right in, effortlessly blending into various interior styles. Its powder-coated steel frame is incredibly sturdy, and the top is easy to clean, perfect for homes with kids or pets. Plus, the timeless design ensures it never goes out of style. It's one of those rare pieces of IKEA furniture you'll find yourself using for decades without losing its charm or utility. For an extra personal touch, consider spray painting the base to match your decor. With Cavist Bro, you're investing in a reliable, stylish piece that truly lasts forever. IKEA Poang Armchair. Ah, the Poang Armchair, a classic that has graced homes worldwide since its debut in the 1970s. There's a reason this chair remains a bestseller. It's the perfect blend of ergonomic design, timeless style, and unmatched durability. The Poang features a lightweight yet sturdy bentwood frame that flexes slightly as you sit, offering a gentle rocking sensation that's incredibly relaxing. The high back provides excellent neck and lumbar support, making it an ideal spot for reading, lounging, or even catching a quick nap. Pair it with a matching Poang ottoman, and you've got yourself the ultimate comfort zone. Built to last, the Poang's frame is crafted from resilient birchwood and has been tested to endure decades of use. It's no wonder you'll often see vintage Poang chairs in excellent condition, passed down through generations. With its timeless appeal and exceptional build quality, the Poang is more than just furniture. It's a family heirloom in the making. IKEA Clear Tobias Chair. The Tobias chair is the epitome of sleek, modern design with a twist of transparency. Crafted from a durable clear polycarbonate seat and a chrome-plated steel frame, this chair not only looks light and airy, but is also deceptively strong. It's a stylish addition to any dining table, home office, or vanity setup. What makes the Tobias chair so remarkable is its versatility. Its translucent design creates an illusion of space, making it ideal for smaller rooms or areas where you want furniture to feel unobtrusive. The gently curved seat ensures comfort, while the cantilevered frame gives it a slight bounce, adding to the overall relaxation factor. The high-quality materials ensure it won't yellow, scratch easily, or lose its luster over time. In fact, the Tobias chair has been rigorously tested to handle heavy daily use, from family dinners to work-from-home marathons. It's a practical investment that doesn't compromise on style. Naro Bench. Outdoor. Outdoor furniture often battles the elements, but the Naro bench proves that durability doesn't mean sacrificing style. Made from sustainably sourced acacia wood, this bench is treated with a protective finish that resists moisture, sun damage, and general wear, making it perfect for your patio, balcony, or garden. Its simple, slatted design gives it a clean and modern look while allowing water to drain easily, an essential feature for outdoor furniture. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee, hosting a barbecue, or just soaking in the sunshine, the Naro bench is a versatile and comfortable addition to your outdoor space. Strandmon Wing Chair, a classic that stands the test of time. When it comes to iconic IKEA pieces, the Strandmon Wing Chair holds a special place in many homes. First introduced as a tribute to a design from the 1950s, this chair combines timeless style with unbeatable durability. Its high back, elegant wing design, and plush cushioning make it a standout piece, whether you're going for a classic or modern vibe. What makes the Strandmon a forever piece is its sturdy construction. The chair frame is built with a combination of solid wood and durable materials designed to withstand years of use. Its upholstery options are equally resilient, with fabrics that resist wear and tear while maintaining their vibrant color. Plus, IKEA offers replaceable covers, so you can easily refresh the look without replacing the entire chair. This wingback chair isn't just about aesthetics. It's ergonomically designed to provide great lumbar support, making it perfect for curling up with a book or unwinding after a long day. Its versatility also means it works beautifully in various rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, or even as an accent chair in a study. Hemness Day Bed frame with 3 drawers, a multifunctional marvel. The Hemness Day Bed frame is a shining example of IKEA's ability to merge functionality with style. If you're looking for a piece of furniture that offers versatility, durability, and timeless appeal, this is it. Whether it's a cozy day bed by day, a full-size bed by night, or extra storage all the time, this piece has you covered. Crafted from solid pine, the Hemness Day Bed frame is built to last. Pine is not only a sustainable material, but also one that ages gracefully, acquiring a charming patina over time. Unlike cheap particle board alternatives, the solid wood construction ensures that this piece can endure the daily rigors of use without compromising its structure. What sets the Hemness apart is its storage capacity. With 3 spacious drawers underneath, it's perfect for stowing away linens, out-of-season clothes, or kids' toys. The pull-out design easily transforms the daybed into a double bed, making it ideal for guest rooms, kids' bedrooms, or small apartments where space is at a premium. Skoga Dining Table, a solid choice for generations. If you want a dining table that can handle the wear and tear of daily life without losing its charm, the Skoga dining table is a top contender. Made from solid acacia wood, this table is a true testament to IKEA's commitment to combining quality with affordability. Its natural grain patterns and warm tones create a centerpiece that radiates rustic elegance. The Skoga is designed with durability in mind. Acacia wood is known for its strength and resistance to scratches, dents, and moisture, making it an excellent choice for a dining table. This is the kind of table that can weather countless family dinners, holiday feasts, and homework sessions without faltering. Another standout feature of the Skoga is its timeless design. The simple lines and robust legs give it a classic, farmhouse-inspired look that seamlessly fits into traditional, modern, or even industrial interiors. The natural wood finish can also be refinished or treated if you want to update its appearance down the road. Stockholm Sideboard, timeless elegance and durability. When it comes to investing in furniture that stands the test of time, the Stockholm Sideboard is a piece that consistently delivers. Crafted with precision and style, this sideboard is part of IKEA's premium Stockholm collection, which focuses on timeless designs and high-quality materials. The sideboard features a walnut veneer, giving it a rich and luxurious finish that adds warmth to any space. The wood grain varies naturally, so each piece is unique, perfect for those who appreciate individuality in their home decor. What makes the Stockholm sideboard a standout for longevity is its solid construction. It boasts durable drawers and doors that glide smoothly, thanks to premium hardware. The thoughtful design includes adjustable shelves, allowing for customization as your storage needs evolve. Whether you're using it to organize your living room essentials or as a statement piece in your dining area, this sideboard is as practical as it is beautiful. Norden Gate Leg Table. Compact, versatile, and built to last. If there's one IKEA piece that epitomizes durability and functionality, it's the Norden Gate Leg Table. This compact wonder is a lifesaver for small spaces, offering maximum flexibility without sacrificing quality. Made from solid birch, a sturdy hardwood, the table is designed to endure daily wear and tear. Unlike cheaper materials, birch wood ages gracefully, often developing a charming patina over time. The genius of the Norden lies in its foldable design. With 2 drop leaves, it transitions effortlessly from a compact console to a full-size dining table. Durability is another hallmark of the Norden Gate Leg Table. Its solid wood frame is resistant to wobbling even after years of use. Plus, it's easy to maintain. Just a simple wipe with a damp cloth keeps it looking fresh. Marius Stool. Affordable, stylish, and surprisingly durable. At first glance, the Marius stool might not strike you as a forever piece, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This budget-friendly gem is a masterclass in understated durability. Designed for versatility, the Marius is lightweight yet strong, made from powder-coated steel and durable plastic. It's the kind of furniture you can move from room to room or even house to house without worrying about wear and tear. Perfect as extra seating, a minimalist side table, or even a plant stand, the Marius proves its worth time and again. Its stackable design is a huge plus for anyone short on space, allowing you to store multiple stools without hassle. And despite its slim profile, it can support up to 220 pounds, a testament to its sturdy construction. Ingolf. Dining chairs, classic charm meets robust construction. Dining chairs often bear the brunt of daily use, but the Ingolf dining chairs are up to the challenge. With a classic design and solid wood construction, these chairs exude charm and durability. Made from sustainably sourced solid pine, they're built to withstand years of family meals, dinner parties, and everything in between. One of the reasons the Ingolf chairs last so long is their simple yet robust design. The sturdy crossback construction provides excellent support, while the slightly curved seat offers surprising comfort. Add a seat cushion for extra coziness, and you've got a chair that's as inviting as it is practical. Available in several finishes, including white and brown black, the Ingolf easily integrates into various dining room styles. From farmhouse to Scandinavian minimalism, regular cleaning, and an occasional touch-up with wood polish are all it takes to keep them looking as good as new. Who says you have to spend a fortune for furniture that lasts forever? IKEA has perfected the balance between affordability, style, and longevity with these 15 incredible pieces. Have you spotted any favorites on this list that you'd love to bring home? Or perhaps you already own one of these pieces and can vouch for its durability. These pieces prove that thoughtful design and quality materials can outlast trends and stand up to daily life. So, which piece will become your new forever favorite? Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your space, IKEA has something that will stand the test of time. After all, great furniture should grow with you, not wear out before you've had the chance to truly enjoy it. If you want more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.